Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start with our new lessons that call as Minecraft Adventure, and during the next hours you are going to learn the basic of computer science by programming Alex or Steve to move through a simulated piece of Minecraft world. You're going to go through different adventure here, and once you start your third activities, you will have different puzzles to solve. Now, in this all together, you will have 14 puzzles. From puzzle number 1 to puzzle number 13 are the puzzles that you have to solve. And then you have 14th puzzle will be a free play that you would be using to practice your code that you have learned through the journey of this Minecraft adventure. Now, if you are on this page, you can click on Minecraft Adventure, the third activities, and you can click on Start. If you are not on this page, I want you to go to code.org/Minecraft. I'll repeat it, CODE code.org/Minecraft, MINECRAFT, Minecraft. And then you will come to the page where you will see all these different lessons or activities. In the previous two sessions we finished Minecraft Voyage Aquatic and Minecraft Hero's Journey. In the next activity we are going to do Minecraft Adventure, which is today, and then later on next week we're going to do about Minecraft Designer. So let's all click on Minecraft Adventure, click on Start button here. Your puzzle will start and there'll be a video that I'm going to play now, and I want you to go through the video. It will give you some information about how we are going to code here. Let's play this video. Okay, let me just increase the volume here.
I'm better known as Jeb. I'm the lead developer of Minecraft here at Mojang in Stockholm. I think I was 11 or maybe 12, and I started programming because I wanted to make games, and one of my father's friends told me that in order to make games you need to learn how to program. So that's how I got started. I like designing and figuring out the architecture of things. That's what I really like about Minecraft. Over the next hour, you're going to learn the basics of computer science by programming Alex or Steve to move through a simulated piece of a Minecraft world. Traditional programming is usually in text, but today we'll use Blockly, a system which uses visual blocks that you can drag and drop to write programs. Under the hood, you're creating JavaScript code. The concepts that you'll be learning are what computer programmers use every day and are the foundation to computer science. Here at Mojang, we use these same concepts to make Minecraft work. Before you start, you'll pick your character. I'm going to choose Alex. Let's build code for a program that will help her move around the screen. Your screen is split into three main parts. On the left is the Minecraft playspace, where your program will run. The instructions for each level are written below. This middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that directs Alex's actions. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program. If we drag the Move Forward block to our workspace and then click Run, what happens? Alex moves forward one space on the grid. And what if we wanted to do something after she moves forward one space? We can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the Turn Right block, and I'll drag it underneath my Move block until this orange line appears. Then I'll drop it and the two blocks will snap together. When we press Run again, Alex will perform the commands that are stacked from top to bottom in our workspace. And if you ever want to delete a block, just drag it from the stack back to the toolbox. To undo your changes and get back to how the level started, use the Start Over button in the top right corner of the workspace. One more thing, you see the little triangle on the turn blocks? Anytime you see these triangles, it means that you can pick a different option. Let's start coding.
Okay guys, so this was the introduction for the Minecraft adventure, and if you've got a chance to choose Steve or Alex, you can choose either Steve or Alex depending on your choice. Now in the first part or the first puzzle, what we need to do is we need to make Steve to reach to the sheep here, and to make the character move and get closer to the sheep, you need to drag this move forward, because if we have only one move forward block, if we run the program, we can see that the Steve cannot reach to the sheep. Okay, so we just do reset, we drag another move forward block, so we have two move forward block. Now we run the program here so that your characters can move and get to the sheep. Now this was one of the easy programming. As you know, when we go forward with it, our challenges will become more and more difficult. Our programming is going to be difficult. So let's go to the next step now, which is puzzle number 2. Now, in puzzle 2, what you need to do here is you need to get some wood. And to get some wood, you need to make your character, which is a Steve, to go forward and destroy your block here. So the tree is here, you need to go and cut this tree. To cut the tree, you will be using a block called destroy block. So let's try to make the character to move. So move forward once, it will go one step forward. We drag the second one, which is move forward again, so that it reaches to the tree. And then you have the third part of the program that you need to add. The third block is called destroy block. Now destroy block is going to destroy the tree or cut the tree so that you can get the wood from the tree here. So let's run the program here now. That's it. After you've run the program, your character moves 2 steps and then it destroys the tree and get the wood from the tree, and that is basically required for the adventure to continue. Let's go to the next step, which is puzzle number 3. Now in the puzzle number 3, it's a shearing time, the sheep shearing time. So you will use a shear command to gather the wool from both the sheep. Now since both the sheep are not standing on the same point, you need to make Steve to go forward first and shear it, and then you need to turn right, and then after turning right you need to move forward again and make Steve to shear the wool from the other sheep. So let's try the programming here. Let's move forward once, then move forward second time. Now it goes closer to the sheep, and that's the time you need to shear. So we shear it here, and the next part of the program requires Steve to turn right. So we turn right after shearing the first sheep, and then it has to move forward 1 step so that it gets closer to the second sheep so that it can shear. So let's drag a move forward block here and drag a block called shear. Let's try this code and see if both the sheep can be sheared. Okay, so I'm going to run the program now. Your Steve moves 2 steps forward, shears the wool, moves 1 step to the right and goes forward and shears the wool for the second sheep. That's a good job here. We just finished our puzzle 3. We're going to move forward with it and we'll go to puzzle number 4. Now in the puzzle number 4, what you need to do is you need to build a house before the sun goes down. And for house, you need a lot of wood. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to cut a lot of trees here so that you can collect as much wood as you can. So you already have a program here which says move forward, move forward, move forward, and destroy a block. So that basically completes cutting first tree, and then says left and move forward. If we just run this program, see what will happen. So we run the program. Steve moves 3 steps forward, gets the wood from here, and stops here. Now this does not complete the part of the program that we have to do. The puzzle is not completed yet, so we need to move forward 2 more times and then destroy the tree again here. That means you need to cut the tree here. So I need to drag move forward once, move forward twice, and then destroy a block here. This should be able to cut the second tree, and then you turn left. Once you turn left, you need to go forward, forward, and forward, which is 3 times, and then destroy a block. So we need to drag 1 move forward, 1 move forward, 1 move forward 3 times, and then destroy a block. Now if you look at it carefully, you'll see that move forward 3 times, destroy a block, turn left, move forward, destroy a block, and then we need to turn left again. So we are missing one of these block here which says turn left, so that it can turn left from the point where it has cut the second tree. Let's reset and run the program. Watch Steve moving. It's cutting the first tree now. Turns left, move forward for second tree, and now it cuts the third tree. So you have completed this part here where you got all the 3 cut, and then you have enough wood for the house. Now I'm just going to click on replay to show you what are the codes that are getting repeated here many times. So if you see this one here, if you look at it here, move forward, turn left, move forward, destroy block, and turn left. You're using this once, twice, and 3 times, and then move forward is also used 3 times. What we learned from the previous 2 lessons are that we can use loops to repeat some of the things that we are doing it here. We could easily use a loop here where instead of making move forward 3 times, we can use a loop or repeat block, says repeat 3 times, and we can make this 3 move forward blocks into just 1 move forward block. But now since we don't have it, that we're going to learn into the next puzzle. So let's go to the next one, which is number 5. Okay, we have a video that will explain you about the loops, and then we'll come back to puzzle 5. Let's watch this video.
I'm Lydia Winters, Mojang's brand director, and we made a little game called Minecraft. My favorite thing to do in Minecraft is to explore. I love adventuring in caves and seeing what I can find. As someone who isn't a programmer, I'm really excited to go through the Minecraft lessons and actually learn some coding myself. The last level needed lots of move forward blocks. It would be easier if we could just tell the computer to perform the move forward command 4 or 5 times. Luckily for us, computers are really good at repeating commands with repeat loops. When building Minecraft, we use repeat loops to place all the initial materials for creating a new world. That's thousands and thousands of blocks. We also use loops in little ways. For example, to make Alex's feet move back and forth as she walks. Repeat loops are a powerful part of programming. Night is coming, so in the next couple of levels, we're going to build a house to stay safe. We're going to use the repeat block to do this very easily. To build a wall of our house, we can either tell Alex to move forward and place planks 4 times, or we can tell her to move forward and place 1 plank that takes this command and use the repeat block to have her perform the action multiple times. Now we'll click on the repeat block and tell her how many times we want her to perform this action. Now let's build our house before night falls. Have fun!
Okay guys, let's get to the puzzle number 5. So in puzzle 5, you need to start building a wall first here. Now to build the wall, what we need here is we need to place some planks. Now if you see that there are 4 different positions where you need to build the wall, and to build the wall for the house, we can tell Steve to move forward and place planks 4 times. So basically the idea is that you need to do this: move forward and place birch planks, move forward and place birch planks. So this is the second time, then this is the third time here, and then you have the fourth time, which is here. So either you have to, if you're not using the repeat block, this is what you need to go through. You need to make this program 4 times. Okay, these 2 blocks are repeated 4 times. Since we have a repeat block here, we don't need to repeat these blocks again and again. So I'm just going to delete these blocks and take a repeat block and place it here, and put these 2 blocks, move forward and place birch planks inside the repeat block. So what will happen? These 2 blocks, move forward and place planks, is going to be repeated 4 times when you run the program. Let's run the program and see what happens. So Steve, whether the Steve will build the wall or not. Okay. Now in this case, see what has happened here. So we are trying to make the wall here. We started making the wall by going forward and then placing the birch plank. So what we need to do is we need to fill the place where there was a foundation for the planks. So what we need here to modify is we just need to change the position of these blocks. This is why the sequence of the program is important. You need to make a proper sequence for the programming so that your task is completed in that sequence. So I just changed it. Earlier the program was here, move forward and place birch plank. Now I'm just going to change the sequence. I'm putting place birch plank first and then move forward. Let's reset it and run the program again and see what happens this time. That completes our puzzle 5, and let's move forward with puzzle 6 now. Now here you need to build a house. Now there are different ways that you can, different challenges that you can go for. If you choose the select first, which is the easy one, you get this house to build or this wall to build. And then if you choose the medium, you get the second one to build here. And then if you choose hard, you have to make the house which is built here. Now I know everyone has a different experience and you want to build, sometimes some people might want to build an easy one, or you want to build a medium or hard. You can also try all of these 3. Once you reach to level 14 or the puzzle 14, you can come back to puzzle 6 and then you can complete the rest of these houses if you want to build. So for us, we are going to choose the medium one here. So we are going to select the one in the middle which says medium, and this is what we have to build here now. Okay, so what we do here is, for the programming here, let's see how many steps you have to go forward. So if you count it here, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to place 6 times, move forward, place birch plank. Let's run the program and see what will happen. So it goes forward and places the planks. When it reaches to the end, it has to turn right. After it turns right, it needs to move forward and place the birch plank. So how many times? It's 2 times. So we need to drag this, choose the repeat 2 times, move forward, place birch plank. Watch this and let's see if it completes the second part of this when it's the second wall to the right. So reset, run the program again. Let's watch what happens now. So it moves 6 times, completes the first side of the wall, and now it completes the second side of the wall to the right. Now at this point of time, you need to again turn right, okay, so that it goes into different directions. Now it faces in different directions, and then I have 1, 2, and 3. So I take a repeat 3 blocks, move forward, and place Perch Plank. Now if you want to do a reset and run the program again, you can do that. I'm just going to look at the next step, what it has to do. So when it reaches to the point where it has built the third wall, it has to turn left. So I'm going to turn left, move forward, and place Perch Plank. So I don't need to make it like multiple times because it's just one step. And then I need to turn right, and then 1, 2, 3. So I need to make it 3 times. I'm going to say move forward, and I'm going to say after move forward, I'm going to say place Perch Plank. Now after this is done, what we need to do here is need to click on reset, run the program, and see what will happen. So now your Steve is moving forward with it, turns right, place the Perch Plank, goes forward, turns left, place it. Oh, so we got the house built, which was the medium one. Now one thing I want to tell you here is there could be a different solution for what we did here. Okay, I'm just going to click on replay, and I'm going to show you as what else we could try to make the program little different. So if you see here, after turning right, repeat 2 times, move forward, place Perch Plank, turn right, repeat 3 times, move forward, and Perch Plank. Now if you look at it carefully, these blocks and these 2 blocks, they look very much similar to each other, except that in one of them have repeat 2 times, and the second one you have repeat 3 times. Okay, so what I can do here, just to modify my program, I can use this repeat block to get inside the second one, and I'll choose here as 2 times. So what will happen, I don't need to do a repeat block and then do that move forward and place Perch Plank over there again. So I'm going to just use this part, and since the second one was asking you to do one more of the block or the planks to be placed, so I'm just adding 1 extra here. Now let's see this one if I can make it work. We reset, run the we need to just add this part of the program here. Let's see if it completes this part. Now I'm trying this because I just want to let you know that there could be a possible solutions for the same task. Now see, this is not solving the problem, so some points we did some mistakes here. So let's try this. Remove the right here, remove the right block here, you put it in here, and then turn right at this point of time, and then we drag this one at this point of time here. So one, adding a right, turn right, made some changes in the program. We need to run the program again. So we are trying to have a different solutions for same problems. Now we build the house but using a different programming steps. Okay, so the idea was to let you know that for the same problems there could be a different solution, and we just tried it here and we did 2 different solutions for the same house to build. Let's click on continue and move to the puzzle 7. Now here in the puzzle 7, you need to plant crops on both sides of the water so that you don't get hungry at a later stage. Now to plant here, you need to count as how many times you need to move forward with and how many times you need to plant crop. So the place you are standing, you need to plant a crop there itself. So the first thing, you need to have a plant crop and then move forward. So keep going forward and keep planting. So since we have to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and we have a repeat which says 6 times, we're going to drag these two blocks, place into repeat, and run the program here. Once we run this program here, my character, which is Steve, should be able to plant the crop on one side of it. Let's run the program and see what happens. It's planting the crop, and it plants on one side of it completely. Now next step, what you need to do here is you need to make your character to turn right, and then you need to move forward 2 times. You could use the repeat block to move forward, to repeat this move forward block 2 times, but since we have only 2 forward movement that we need to do, so we are just using the 2 move forward block. And the next step, we have turn right, and once it turns right, it is facing towards the place where you have to again plant the crop. So let's repeat 6 times again, plant crop and move forward. Look at this program and let's see if we reset and run the program whether it plants the crop on all the sides. It's moving forward, planting the crop, moves forward, it's planting the crop. Okay, so there's something which is not completed here, and it has just one place which is missing the crop. So let's watch this, what is happening. If we move forward before planting the crop, then it will go to the position where it has to plant the crop and then move forward with it. Okay, so we need to run the program. So again, same problem, you need to put the sequence properly so that when the sequence is correct, then it's going to do the task properly. So exactly the same program, except there's a change in the move forward and plant crop. Those 2 blocks, we change it, and then our program of the puzzle got completed here. Now we move forward to puzzle number 8, and in the puzzle number 8, you don't want to get into the creeper. So it's a bad idea to get into the creeper. You need to carefully move and reach to your home. Now to reach to your home, there are different ways that you can go through. Okay, so you have different paths that you can follow and you can reach. Let's try the path turning left, going forward, then turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward. So I'm going to go through this path here, getting inside the house. So the first thing, I'll drag the block called turn left. After we drag block called turn left, we're going to drag this block called repeat 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. If you use 4, you're going to hit the creeper. So we just say move forward so that it reaches just before the creeper, and then we need to turn right. So we turn right here. After turning right, we say move forward. So we say move forward here. Once it reaches here, you need to turn left, and then you drag move forward from here. After this point, you will reach close to the wall where you have to turn right and move forward. Turn right and move forward, and then you'll be exactly in front of the main entrance. At the main entrance, you have to turn left and move forward. Now you will realize that if you have added all these blocks, these two blocks, they look very much similar. They're all same blocks, like turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward. Let's run the program using this one, and then we'll use the repeat. We'll replace these blocks with the repeat block and check the program once again. So I'm going to run the program here. That's great, it works. Now I'm going to try again here. I'm going to remove these two, which is the same block, with the repeat command. So I'm going to drag this into repeat. Now instead of repeating 3 times, I'm just going to repeat 2 times because we are repeating these blocks 2 times here. So I'm going to delete these blocks, reset, run our program again. That's it, we completed the task. Again, for the same problem, we had a different solution for it. Let's move and go to puzzle number 9. Now you will find the most valuable resources underground, and you can see all these dots there. You have something inside. Okay, so you need to place 2 torch and you need to mine at least 2 coal. Now it's very simple. If you want to just turn left and drag and get the 2 mine on the left hand side, but you also have those in front where you can also program for those. So we'll try to do the first one, which is the easiest one. So we'll say turn left. After we turn left, I have 2 mines here which I need to mine the 2 coals here. So I'm going to say 2 times. It asks you also to place 2 torch. So I'm going to place torch here, and since it is in the repeat block, it's going to place the torch 2 times. And the same thing what I'm going to do with this, I need to go to destroy block. Once it destroys the block, I need to make it move forward. If I just do a very simple program like this, this should solve our problem. Let's run the program. So it moves forward, gets the coal, places the torch, it moves forward, places the torch, and you completed your puzzle here. But now we are going to redo this one, where we are going to mine other direction. So let's see this one here. I'm going to reset. Now if you go forward, forward, forward 3 times, you will come closer to this one. Okay, so I'm going to delete this program here. I'm going to delete this program here. Let's see, repeat, move forward. So when I go here, repeat, move forward, it reaches to this end where you see that the coal mine here, and then I say destroy block. So it will destroy the first block. I'm going to say move forward so that it gets into the block there. After it moves forward, I say turn left, and then I'm going to repeat this 2 times so that it can destroy the block and move forward. Now the only thing you'll see that I have not placed 2 torch here till now. So 2 of the torches should be placed, and then you can use place torch here at this point so that it completes the puzzle requirement that requires 2 torch to be placed. Let's run the program and see what happens when I do this program here. Got the coal here. So I got the 2, I got 3 coal here, and I completed the puzzle by solving the other challenge that it was having. Okay, let's go move forward with it and go to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you get into puzzle number 10. Now in this puzzle, you cannot go on the lava. So what you need to do is you need to make a bridge. So you have cobblestone that you can use to create a bridge, and then mine at least 2 of the iron block which you see just crossing the lava. So the first step that you will have it is, you will move forward. Once you move forward, you'll get very close to the lava, so you click on place cobblestone ahead. Once you place it here, you will be able to get on top of the lava because you just built the bridge. I'm just going to run the program to show you what will happen. So run the program here. You just place the cobblestone. Now you have the option to cross this bridge. So I'm going to reset and then say move forward. So it moves forward, and then I'm going to repeat 2 times because I need to get 2 of these iron blocks. And to get the 2 of the iron blocks, I say move forward and destroy block. Let's run the program and see what will happen. So goes forward, place the cobblestone, moves forward, gets 1 of the iron block and the second iron block. Now this was one of the easiest way. You can also try to get all 6 iron blocks here, depending on what you want. And you can make your program to turn right, get those 2 on the right side, and then go forward and destroy the other part and get the other iron block from there. Now we're going to move forward with our number 10. The puzzle number 10 will show you a video that will explain about the conditional statement, like if a statement. If you remember in the previous one, we saw that there was if block, if path clear, do this, or if certain condition is fulfilled, do this, else you don't do. So let's watch this video and see what we are going to learn in the next few puzzles.
Now we're going to learn about if statements. If statements are a fundamental part of learning to program. They help a computer make decisions. All computers use if statements, including my phone. For example, when I unlock my phone, it runs some code that says, if I enter the password correctly, then unlock the phone. Otherwise, it shows an error message. You can use if statements in your code to make Steve and Alex react to what they see in the world. For example, if there is a rock in front of them, they can turn left, or turn right if they run into a tree. In this case, we don't want to fall in the lava. It's easy to plan for the lava. We can see it on the screen, but what about the lava we can't see under the stone? After we mine the stone, we'll need to check if there's any lava in that place before moving forward. If there is lava there, we want to place a stone in front of our character before we can move forward. That way, we can safely move on. Time for more mining, and remember to use the if statement to watch your step.
Okay guys, we just saw that we use our conditional statement so many times in our life. Just it was given an example, a code example, that if you want to unlock your phone, you have sometimes pattern, and if the pattern is correct, then you unlock your phone, or if your password is correct, you unlock your phone, or even sometimes you use your Face ID with the camera, and when you put your phone in front of it, it compares with what is stored into the memory, and if the face matches with the face which is stored into the memory, it opens the phone, or it unlocks the phone. So this is what we are going to learn here at this point of time, that if you are mining and during the mining you see that there's a lava underneath, then you need to put something on it so that you can go forward. Else if you get into the lava, you are going to die. So this is the programming part here that you will learn. You will see the block which says if lava ahead, place cobblestone and destroy block. So in front of it, it says there are different blocks here, and you need to mine these. So let's add a block into this program which already exists, and the block that we need to add is only one block which says move forward. So first you need to destroy the block. after you destroy the block, you need to see and check if there's any lava ahead. If there's lava ahead, place the cobblestone and then keep moving forward. Let's run the program here. Place the cobblestone. If there's no lava, nothing is happening, but if there's a lava ahead, it just places the cobblestone. So this was one of the easiest part of it. We just added one block to it to complete this puzzle, and we were able to mine few blocks at this point here. Now let's move forward with the next part of it, which is puzzle number 12. Now again, in puzzle number 12, you need to mine 3 redstone, but make sure that you don't fall into the lava, and you will use the if command to see if there is a lava underneath or ahead, so that you can place the cobblestone. So the easiest one could be something which is without using many loops here. Let's say move forward, and then destroy block. And if there is lava ahead, when you destroy the block, and if you see the lava ahead, you need to place the cobblestone, and then you turn. Once you have placed the cobblestone, you move forward, and then you say turn to the right, and you can say turn right here so that it turns to the right. Destroy block. So you destroy a block here, which is the second one. If I do this part of it here, let's see what will happen. Okay, so run the program. So you made the program, but then you did not complete the challenge. And the reason why we did not complete the challenge is because we had to collect at least 3 redstone, not 2 redstone. So what I'm going to do here at this point of time, I'm going to turn this to left direction. Okay, when it reaches to the point where it gets the first redstone, and then I'm going to move forward, turn left, move forward, and move forward once again, so it reaches to the second part of it, and destroy block here, so that it destroys this block here at this point. Once it destroys this, we need to check again if there's any lava ahead. We need to place the cobblestone, then move forward, turn right, and destroy block. If you do this part of it, you should be able to get 3 different redstone. Okay, so let's run the program. There's lava ahead, so it's going to turn there. But the second one, it got all 3. Okay, but this one was like not using many of the things that we learned in our previous puzzles. We didn't use any loop here. So let's try another program where we can use loop and solve the same problem. So I'll click on try again. I'm going to delete the whole program here. Some of you may not want to do the things again, so if you don't want to, you can just skip and get to the number 13. But if you just want to learn a little bit more about it, let's go back and try once again. So what I'm going to do here is, every time I go forward, move forward, destroy block, and when I see if there's a lava ahead, place cobblestone. Okay, and then I say move forward and turn left. Once it turns left, I have the same kind of program that I need to do here to repeat. So if you look at the program carefully here, so move forward, destroy block, and if lava ahead, place cobblestone. This is very close to what we did in the previous one. And then once you got the cobblestone, you move forward and turn left. So this one completes and gets one of these red stone. If I repeat this, it's going to repeat 3 times, and then it goes forward, forward. It destroys the block. If lava ahead, place the cobblestone, moves forward, and then turns left. So it's going to get a redstone from here, and from here. But now this time we are using a repeat block. Let's run the program. Goes forward, places the cobblestone here, getting the redstone, get the redstone here, get the third redstone, and we completed the task with the different programming. So there could be a different solutions here. You can also have third solutions or different or fourth solution. You can have 10 different solutions for it. How you want to move, what are the different blocks that you want to mine. So depending on that, you can have different programs to solve this puzzle. Now we are in number 13. You have gathered a lot of resources to build your modest home. Now lay a rail from the edge of the map to the door of your house. So what you need to do here is you need to lay the rail now. So what you're going to do, let's do it this way. We move forward. Before we move forward, we say turn right and then place rail. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So when you say 6 times, I need to move forward. I can place rail first and then move forward. Let's try this here and see how much it completes. So run the program here. It places the rail, moves forward, places the rail, move forward. Okay, so it did not complete the task, but it finishes the first part of it. Okay. Now after we did this one, we need to turn right and then complete the same thing again. So I can just use this block again here, put all these blocks inside, and then make this one 2 times. Okay, if you find this complicated, I'll just try to make it a little easier, and let's see if we can understand that part first, and then I'm going to do it. So turn right. When it starts, turn right, and then I'm going to say turn right, and then repeat 6 times again. Place rail, move forward. Let's run this program and see what will happen now. That's good job here. So we just placed the rail and we make it work. Now let's try it in different ways. So if you look at this program carefully, you'll see that this part and this part of the program, they look exactly the same. They are identical to each. So rather than doing these 2 of similar blocks 2 times, I can drag a block. I can choose this as repeat 2 times, and instead of having these 2 blocks, I can put all these blocks inside and place it here. Now I can delete this one because I got a repeat block which is inside another repeat block here. So this is called as a nested loop. One repeat block is inside the other repeat block. The inside repeat blocks repeat 6 times. The outside repeat blocks repeat 2 times. Let's reset, run the program again. That's the last puzzle, which requires you to complete certain tasks. The next puzzle that's going to come is a free play where you can do anything that you want to do it. Let's watch this video and then we'll move to puzzle 4. 14.
Congratulations! You just learned the basic building blocks of computer science. Now, you can use these blocks to build your own creation. There are no more instructions and no puzzles to solve. You can build anything you want. You get to choose.
It's about to get real. Put this here.
I made an L out of torches.
I made an A out of birch planks.
We built a house out of wool.
Now you can build whatever you want.
Have fun.
So it's a free time now, guys. Whatever you want to do it. I feel like collecting some more wood here. So what I can do it here is I can say turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, destroy block. Let's see if I get to get the tree cut here. I got the wood from the tree. Now I need to cut a little more of those, okay? So if I just try to make this repeat here 2 times, because it's almost the same when you turn left and 1, 2, 3 times here. I should be able to get this tree as well. So I'm just going to choose number 2 for 2 times, and then I click on run. Let's see what happens. So I'm expecting this program will cut 2 trees and get me the wood from those 2. No, I cannot, because it needs you to get closer to the tree here. So what do you think we can do here? Let's do reset. Go here. Turn left, move forward. I need to do this in different ways. We cannot solve it in this way because in this point of time you have only 2 steps, whereas in this time you have 3 steps. So let's try this, going move forward 2 times and destroy the block, and then turn left, move forward 3 times, and then destroy block. So if we try this one, you can see that this block here and this block here is not the same. So we cannot use a repeat block to solve this problem by putting both of these blocks together. What I can do here is, instead of using the move forward 3 times, I can drag a move forward here and then choose 3 times here and say destroy block. And the same thing I can do it here. Instead of writing move forward 2 times, I can take a repeat block, choose 2 times, move forward, and then run this program here. So we run the program here. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake somewhere. So turn right and turn left. I missed turn left here. So turn right, move forward, and turn left. Let's run this program. I got that done, but I have 1 move forward extra here that is making it hit the other ways. But again, you can try different things to do here. You can place cobblestone, you can place bedrocks, you can see if there's an empty ahead, you can place something on it, you can place torch, you can mine something here. You can do anything that you want to do it here because it's a free play. It doesn't gives you a challenge to complete, it's just gives you a chance to use these blocks and make anything you want to make it here. Okay, So I'm going to click on finish now here. Let's click on finish. And we are done with this. We can click on finish again here. And the next step you get it is to get your certificate of achievement. So I'm going to write my name here. This is my third certificate that I'm getting it from Hours of Code. I click on submit and my name appears here on the certificate. I click on the certificate here. I get my picture of my certificate here. I right click on it, save image as, and it opens a window that shows a place where you can save and the name that you want to give it to. So I just give my name here and I click on save. Now my file or my certificate is saved, and you can print it out as I said earlier and keep it with you as your accomplishment or your achievement that you got for the Minecraft Hour of Code for completing Minecraft Adventure. I hope you enjoyed learning this Minecraft Adventure lesson, and I'll see you again when we'll do the designer part of it next week. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.